Hi guys, it's Mrs. Golding. I am working on Math Packet page 5, problem 2. And in this problem, it says that Abby and Jack are painting a room together. Abby makes the orange paint. Orange is great for Sarah Scott, right? That's one of our colors. She's mixing cups of red and cups of yellow in the ratio of 1 to 3. So that ratio, 1 to 3. Zach makes the orange paint by mixing cups of red and cups of yellow in the ratio of 3 to 5. And we're assuming that they're using the same red paint and the same yellow paint. They are worried that they made different colors of orange paint. So we're going to look at the ratio tables here to determine if Abby and Zach made the same color orange. And we're going to try to support our answer. Okay, so if I'm looking here, this ratio of 1 to 3 is not very easy to relate to this ratio of 3 to 5, but it is more helpful to look for similarities. In other words, every ratio is also a fraction, and every fraction is also a ratio, right? So if I'm going to come up here and I should choose orange, right? Because that's what we're talking about. That ratio of 1 to 3, right, is like that. And we're trying to see if that's the same as or equal to a ratio of 3 to 5, which is what Zach has, right? Well, it's easier to look for the same denominators. So if I'm saying 1 to 3, right, I'm saying 1 to 3, that means the numerator is this, the red paint, and the denominator is the yellow paint. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to look for something in this column and this column. I want to find a common denominator, right? The same number. So I can see there's a 15 here and there's a 15 right here. Okay, so once I see that, I'm going to try to compare those fractions. So I'm going to come back here to my orange pen, and I'm going to say, is the fraction 5/15? Your head's in the way. Is it equal to 9/15? 9/15. And I got that 9/15 right here, right? I'm looking to see if that's the same. Well, no. Once we have a common denominator, we can see that those fractions are not equivalent, right? So 5/15 is less than 9/15. And so you can see that Abby's paint, right? This is Abby's paint, is going to be a little bit lighter in color than Zach's paint. And I know that because I'm mixing red and yellow. And when I put more red in, it gives me a darker orange, right? And so Zach's is going to be darker. So look at this. I found these cool colors. Look at what they're called. These are different shades of orange. Look, macaroni and cheese orange. And what's another gun? Goldfish orange, right? So even if we just took these two right here, so this is maybe what Zach made, and this is what Abby made, right? Hers is lighter. Or you could do the same thing. Maybe hers looks more like this, and his is more orangutan orange, right? Salamander orange and creamsicle orange. These are super fun, but you can see they are not going to be the same. So if they're painting the same room, it's going to look a little wacky, but not bad, right? You could have, don't I have an orange wall in my classroom? I do. You could have one wall looking more salamander-y and another wall looking more creamsicle. Might be cool. But they are not the same, are they? All right. Well, I hope you have an awesome day and maybe do some painting. Talk to you later.